In April 1964, America witnessed something it had never seen before. A sleek, stylish, affordable sports car that promised freedom, power, and individuality. It was called the Ford Mustang. Unveiled at the New York World's Fair, the Mustang was an instant sensation. Ford expected to sell 100,000 units in its first year. They sold that many in just 3 months. By the end of the year, over 400,000 Mustangs were on the road. Priced at just $2,368. It was affordable for the average American, yet customizable enough to fit anyone's style. From a simple 6-cylinder cruiser to a roaring V8 powerhouse, the Mustang wasn't just a car. It was a symbol of youth, of rebellion, and of the open road. It fit perfectly into the fast-changing culture of the 1960s. Hollywood took notice too. In 1968, Steve McQueen's legendary car chase in Bullitt cemented the Mustang's place in pop culture forever. But the 1970s brought challenges. The oil crisis and stricter emissions laws forced the Mustang into smaller, less powerful designs. A move that divided fans. In the 1980s, the Fox Body Mustang revived performance. Affordable, light, and easy to modify, it became a favorite among street racers and tuners. Today, the Mustang has evolved into a high-tech muscle car, blending raw power with modern engineering. And it's no longer just an American icon. From Europe to Asia, the Mustang inspires fans worldwide. From the original 1964.5 to the latest Shelby GT 500, the Mustang's legacy continues. It's more than a car. It's a legend. Built on speed, style, and the spirit of the open road. If you love classic cars and their incredible stories, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for the next ride.